Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. So if you also want to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open OKX application. Make sure you have verified account both in OKX and Bitget. You can see over here OKX is opened. Since OKX is not available in my region, I'm not being able to verify my account. But if your account is verified, you'll be able to see the assets option at the bottom right corner. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here it is not available for me, but I'll guide you through what you have to do. Now after you're in assets, what you have to do is tap on the withdraw option. Now select the crypto you'd like to withdraw. In this case, you have to select USDT. In the next page, in the on-chain tab, enter the amount and choose a network that Bitget wallet supports and paste your receiving address. You can find the network and receiving address in your Bitget account. What you have to do is switch to Bitget wallet. After that, what you have to do is tap on the add funds. Again, this will only be available if you have verified account. Now tap on the option deposit crypto. Now you have to simply search for USDT. Once you select USDT, you have to select the network in which you want to receive the token. Simply choose the network of your choice. But it is suggested that you withdraw USDT on BEP20, Polygon and TRC20 because the gas fee is relatively low on these networks. Now after choosing the network over there, all you have to do is go back to the OKX application, choose the network and also enter the receiving address. Now tap on the submit option. And then you'll be able to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. So that is how you transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.